Hey buddies, welcome to a new video on my channel, and today we're gonna install the exhaust system on this BMW M4. It's a 2016 model or 17? I think it was 16. Anyways, well, on this car here, it had that it's a common issue. The original exhaust muffler here is made out of titanium and it's likely to crack. And this one was already repaired once and cracked again. So we went to a muffler shop and they did this bullshit here. So basically what they did here, instead of having that crossover here, they looped it from this side straight into this side in front of the flaps. So car had a bunch of codes. Check engine light was on, reduced power, no power at all, drove really weird. Because of course the exhaust system was with this pipe here completely closed and suffocating, and this pipe here doesn't make any sense at all. So clearly people who don't know what they're doing, but that's why we are here to fix it. We looked at some different options like use mufflers and stuff like that, but we decided, since I'm partnered with Dinan, the best option is to go with a new Dinan exhaust. The exhaust is right there. Let's do a quick unboxing. It comes with some hardware here. I think that are the brackets for the, because we have to take this is the flat exhaust system or valve exhaust system, like the original in there. And this one are the brackets because you have to actually swap the valve motors over. So they basically just bolt off of there and bolt on this one. That's it. And some connectors, because this one, as you see, the next connection is right here. And then it goes all the way to the back. And this is only a axle back. That's what it is. It's an axle back axle system. So basically, here's the axle. So I think we have to do a cut, probably right here and right here. Alright, so that's basically the exhaust system. Yeah. How it looks inside, I'm not really sure, but I think kind of like on the old one. If the flaps are closed, exhaust gas go in here through the exhaust muffler and then into the middle tips, and when the flaps open, it's going straight pipe, just like the original one. Biggest difference is this one is stainless steel, so it always will look nice. And it doesn't crack or anything like that. That's the biggest upside against the titanium. Okay, here we got some nice flat back Dinan exhaust tips. They are offset. I like that style, round tips, just like the original one basically. But I think these ones are bigger a little bit. Well, yeah, since the car is in a dark gray, these exhaust tips match perfectly. So we have a nice look, a nice sound and decent, because the customer doesn't like it super loud and with a lot of pops and bangs. So we just do the muffler as a kind of repair and a little bit of performance upgrade, since that exhaust system or that muffler gives you a little bit more power because it has an improved flow. But yeah, I would say we get right into it. I'm gonna take this one off and then put them next to each other. Switch the flaps over and take a look at it again. Here we got the exhaust system. We did a cut about 1 inch from the weld away. That is how it looks up here now. So we cleaned up the edges. Okay. So here are the connectors, and here's where the mounts go basically. So here on the exhaust system, we swapped the mounts on from the original exhaust, and also the actuators. So for this one, come a little bit closer please. For this one, basically this bracket here comes separate, so you have to bolt it on with 3 bolts, and then underneath here, this here is like a spring, that's what they call it. You have to, basically what I did, I clipped it into here or hold it into the actuator, set the actuator down from the top and put it into the flap at the bottom. But this is what the connection looks down there. And then just bolt all that down. A lot of bolts and washers and nuts, but Dinan supplies you with everything that you need, also with really high quality exhaust bands. So now we're gonna install it and then we listen how it sounds. So exhaust is completely installed. We haven't started it up yet. This is how it looks. We have about ½ an inch space here between the old exhaust and the new one, which is really nice. Set the clamps here, pretty much flush or with almost a centimeter of space to the weld on here. So this is a nice fitment. Put the screws on the inside, so it's nice and uniform. What else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Valves are back connected. The lines are like before, they have a good amount of stretch. They're sitting pretty much at the same location. This is how it is in the back. I don't think you are able to see the laser engraved Dinan on top, but they are nice, flush, all of them. I really love the fitment of this exhaust system. Alright, I would say we're gonna start it up and listen how it sounds like.